crappy home you have. It is made of broken twigs. It has no roof and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest. Yes, it is made of broken sticks. Looks shabby and is open to the element of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine. You must be jealous of my shed though. My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home. Moral: better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion.